thing.
You got shock wires and spark lines. It's pretty ghetto. Are you gonna do the doorknob? The doorbell?
I wish my parents are asleep.
We're just doing quick. They're not asleep yet.
Sure, we'll do it quick.
Okay.
Okay. Why do you do it?
We gotta bring it over here and show the dog will bark and get a full back.
Okay.
Lockdown. Get it going.
Yeah, it is.
Should open that to get louder. Anyway. So you ready?
Yeah.
You doing your thing already? It's already taping?
Yeah.
Jackie! What's up? Jackie! Get it! Come here! Speak! Speak, Jackie!
They're your pilot thing. Laptop. Say something about 7-Eleven BRAWL!
7-Eleven BRAWL! Where is it? It's in the beer aisle!
Yeah! What are the fighters' names?
The fighters? I forget.
The fighters' names.
I forget.
Hudson versus a Beta!
Hudson versus Beta. Jackie!
Grega versus Trujillo!
And?
Leave it up to Bernardo! Sid versus Mark!
Come here. Jackie, come here.
What do you want to rate 7-Eleven BRAWL?
10 plus. Ow. Ow. Ow.
For Paul.
Jackie, say something for YouTube. Look at it. Jackie does a YouTube. What do you think of that?
Paul, how about this?
That's good.
Say, what do you want to rate 7-Eleven BRAWL?
10, 11, 11 teen. 11 teen. That's the rating. Okay, that's good. How many gig is that?
Oh, no, what?
Your hard drive is 80 gig?
Yeah. Should I stop recording this?
Okay.